celebration of our journey, our achievement, and the bright future that waits. Tonight, as we raise our glasses, we honor the friendship we have, the challenges we have, and the dreams we are about to chase. Representing each kingdom for the closer of light, from the kingdom of noble classes, rising of Carla, from the kingdom of fashion, J. F. Noble, from the kingdom of AIM, R.J. Palomero, from the kingdom of AS1, with you, Kimberly Istanbul, from the kingdom of Fire, John Reynald L. Pajes, from the kingdom of Dressmaking, Roger Gomez, from the kingdom of Italy, J. R. Carino, and to represent the kingdom of Alice we have Mr. R. Puesto. We will now witness the toasting of wine.
To the house of Daniel Clemens Chan, a fabulous evening relatives. This night, I offer this words of wisdom as we embark on a new chapter. Remember to stay curious and always strive for excellence. So, let us toast on this magical night. May our futures be bright, our hearts be filled with joy, and their souls lifted by the knowledge of the great eternity. To an unbreakable camaraderie and beginning of a new journey. Cheers!
Good evening, everyone. Tonight, as we come together to celebrate the night of our incredible chapters in our lives as a senior high school students. As we raise our glasses, let's think of this moment as a toast to all the memories we made, the friendship we built, and the hard work that brought us. Just like wine, the longer we stay together, the more memories we create, and the better we get to know each other. As we look forward to the future, let's think of this moment as a toast to all the memories we made, the friendship that we built, and the hard work that brought us here. Midnight is toast to continue to embrace the special memories we made. As we look forward to the future, let this toast remind us to continue embracing the good times, staying true to ourselves,
together not only as best, but as unitars, which of us, walk our own together. Like every classic is today, we is giving Philippines wonder, joy, and encouragement. So let the rest of our blessings, holy regime, to honor available, louder and together. Cheers!
For the kingdom of the lightest and brightest metal among all of the elements, kingdom will be you. As I praise this God, let us all remember